Water damage isn't just an eyesore. It can wreak havoc on your home and your health. Effective basement waterproofing goes beyond just slapping on some sealant and hoping for the best. It involves understanding how water behaves and creating an effective defense system. Consider installing an interior drainage system. Water often enters the basement through the cold joint, one of the lowest points. Think of the drainage system as a network of hidden channels that intercept water seeping through your walls or floors around the perimeter of your basement. Following this, install a sump pump. The drainage system redirects water to the sump pump, which removes any water from the basement before it can pool on your floor. Additionally, install a vapor barrier on the walls. This protects the basement from moisture or vapor that could seep through. A dehumidifier is also essential to stop excess moisture in the air, which can cause problems like mold and mildew. Pro tip: to prevent water from pooling around your foundation. Ensure you have a proper gutter system that channels water 10 to 15 feet away from your home. If your gutters are clogged or if water is being dumped right beside the foundation, your home and your basement could be at risk. So what's the takeaway? Basement waterproofing is an investment in your home, your health, and your peace of mind. That's why professional basement waterproofing from Groundworks tackles the problem from every angle. Contact the pros today to ensure your basement stays dry all year round.